you allergic to these treats?
What a fun week this has been. First time we've done Military Spouses Week, but I have a hunch. I have a hunch, and I think it's a good hunch. This will not be the last time we do this. This, I suspect, will become an annual event here on the show. And we're proud and happy to do that. And we will see you back here for more on
I think she's done for a while.